dinner of mac and cheese last night, I thought about the millions and millions of poor children out there in countries like Africa starving. Why don't we have global food security? I thought to myself, feeling a bit guilty while finishing a yummy meal. Today, I looked through various articles and blogs for innovative ways to reduce and hopefully abolish food shortages. Hi everyone, my name is Krisha from Teens Public Speaking Bangsa. I'm 11 years old. Let me continue. Firstly, why don't we start using high-tech farming technologies like hydroponics? This farming technology has lots of benefits like saving space, which is good for smaller countries or islands that have limited space. Less water wastage, as hydroponics uses less water than soil-based growing. And it also reduces labor costs by 30%. So, why not? Now, some of you might say that this is just a dream and that there is no way that this will become a reality. But it might happen, not today, but in the future. But there is more advanced technology. For example, Singapore, my home country, deploys extensive hydroponic farming to feed its population, to save space and water. Secondly, we can use biotechnology. Here in Singapore, we also use biotechnology. Biotechnology, to those who do not know, is a technology that utilizes biological systems, living organisms, or parts of this to develop or create different or more productive products. According to PMC, PubMed Central, global food security has been under threat by the coronavirus disease 2019 or the COVID-19 pandemic and the recent military conflict in Eastern Europe. People are discussing the future of plant agricultural biotechnology and artificial intelligence AI systems, considering their potential for reaching the goal of food security. For example, India has adopted biotechnology to improve crop resilience and nutritional value. India's cotton farms have significantly increased yields by being resistant to bollworm pests. And finally, I have a solution that every single one of us can do. Just finish the food on our plates, or take only what you can eat. Just imagine the extra apple or bread on your plate that you are going to dispose of could have fed a hungry child in a country facing a food shortage. Singapore Food Agency says that approximately 755,000 tons of food is wasted in Singapore in 2023. Though a dip from 2022, this still accounts for 11% of the waste generated. In summary, to ensure global food security, we can use farming technologies like hydroponics, use biotechnology, and just finish our lunch or dinner without wasting food. Stating these points, I am sure that in the future, we will be able to ensure 100% food security. Are you with me?